Imagine making over $100,000 simply by posting football videos on YouTube. No fancy studio, no expensive gear, no editing experience, just your passion for football and a laptop. Sounds unreal? That's exactly what I've done. Today, I have more than 30 videos, each crossing over 1 million views. One single video made me $5,000. A brand new channel I launched last year, it pulled in over $30,000. My first channel alone has crossed $76,000. That's more than $100,000 in total revenue from football videos. And the wildest part? I upload less than 2 videos a month on average. Still, I crossed 100,000 subscribers and earned the YouTube silver play button. But it wasn't easy. I struggled a lot in the beginning. I had no idea where to find the right clips. Every video got copyright claims. No one was teaching how to do it properly, so I spent over a year learning through trial and error. Most tutorials? Useless. Made by people who never did it themselves. They fed me wrong info and wasted my time. But here's the truth. Once you know what works, it's ridiculously easy to repeat. Take John, for example. His first video got over 400,000 views. 4 videos later, he passed 2 million views. Now, I'm sharing the exact system so you can do this too. Even if you've never edited before. Even if you have only a few hours a week. Step 1. Your first video idea. I'm a lifelong Arsenal fan, so my first channel focused on Arsenal. Because I wasn't creating content, I was talking about what I loved. And millions of other fans want the same. Start with your favorite club, player, era, or position. You've watched football for years, you have a goldmine of ideas. Here's the crazy part. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to use your voice. You don't need to film anything yourself. Editing can be overwhelming at first, finding clips, syncing music, adding effects. But here's a shortcut. Match compilations. This format exploded my channel. They are full matches edited to the best, most entertaining parts. Could be a single match, a player's best game, or a club's top tournament moments. Fast-paced, binge-worthy, perfect for YouTube's algorithm. Fans love watching these without music, just raw commentary and emotion. One match can easily make an 8+ minute viral video. There are also formats like Road to the Final or Road to Victory. These cover 10+ games from a season or tournament, each match trimmed to about a minute of highlights. Guess what? These videos get 10 million, 20 million, even 40 million views on YouTube. They're easy to make, quick to edit, and hugely in demand. But here's the catch. You need match footage. Most people don't know where to get it. Let me save you months of headaches. There's a site called footballia.eu. It hosts over 37,000 full matches dating back to the 1950s. Search by player, club, or era. It's free to watch after signing up. They've added a feature that pulls all career goals from a player. Perfect for quick, engaging player compilations. Footballia doesn't have direct downloads, but here's the trick. Right-click near the video, inspect, network tab. Play the video, find the .mp4 files, open a new tab, click 3 dots, download full match in high quality. This unlocks your personal vault of thousands of matches. No more screen recording or blurry clips. Now, how to avoid copyright strikes. Here's what 99% of beginners do wrong. Cut highlights, upload, boom, copyright strike. Why do some creators, including me, avoid this and earn money? Simple. We transform the footage. It's not stealing, it's remixing with added value. 3 editing steps that make all the difference. 1. Change clip order. Every time the camera angle changes, that's a new clip. YouTube AI knows the order, change it. Reorder shots, even swapping 2 clips helps bypass detection. CapCut's AI can auto-detect angles and split clips, saving time. 2. Trim every clip. Don't show wide shots longer than 5 seconds. Close-ups and replays under 3 seconds. Keeps content copyright safe and engaging. 3. Slightly zoom in. Minor zoom transforms footage subtly and reduces original visibility. Simple but powerful. This gets your video live. To monetize, YouTube wants one more thing, your own value added. You don't need facecam, voiceover, or flashy edits. What works best? Text. Just simple on-screen text. Add scorelines, timestamps, player names. Explain what's happening. Drop your own thoughts, reactions, or analysis. This tiny addition turns your video into original content for YouTube. Makes videos uniquely yours and more engaging. What decides if your video gets 500 views or 5 million? The thumbnail. No Photoshop or design skills needed. Use CapCut. 2 thumbnail types crush it. 1. Moment thumbnails. Freeze a frame just before a big goal or incident to spark curiosity. 2. Face thumbnails. Feature a famous player's intense reaction. Faces attract clicks, especially with recognizable players. Now the part you want most. How much does YouTube pay? On average, football channels earn $2.50 per 1,000 views. That means 10,000 views equals $25. 100,000 views equals $250. 1 million views equals $2,500. 2 million views equals $5,000. Football is the biggest sport worldwide with 3.5 billion fans. This niche's reach is unlimited. To start earning, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But YouTube now actively pushes new creators. First videos from 0 subscriber channels go viral weekly. I saw this myself on my second channel. No subscribers, no views. Then boom, video jumped from 400 to 400,000 views in 2 weeks. That one video unlocked monetization. Here's an instant monetization hack: affiliate links. Promote football products you love. Drop your link in the description. Every sale earns you a commission. No product creation, no shipping, no customer service. Just clicks equals commissions. So here it is. This is the opportunity. This is how football fans like you and me turn passion into profit without fancy gear or full-time hours. If you love the game and can spare a few hours weekly, this could be the start of something huge. Let the algorithm work for you. Let football fuel your passion, and let YouTube be your paycheck. Subscribe, all go hustle.